Hi, welcome back again. So in this particular episode, we are going to get all the products based on the category ID. So the category ID part, which is already being said. So now, what are the products we are getting that we need to show it in our web page? So that's what we are going to do. So in the previous session, at the end, we have created a class called product, right? So now, what all the data which we get in a product? That variables we need to create inside a product class. All right, so now what we're going to do, so this information will be available when you create a backend application. Now I know that what kind of data is getting. So this, suppose if you are a front-end developer or if you're going to be a front-end developer, this information will be given by the backend developer that okay, so from this particular endpoint, this all the data which you're going to get, right? You're going to create a same of class which is going to have the same variables of same type, and going to create an object which is related to that. All right, so now, so let me create one by one all the variables over here. Okay, so let me go over here, and the first one which I copied, product ID, which is of type number, because I am a backend developer, I know, but this information you're going to get all this information from the backend developer. All right, so product ID. Next, we have a product name. Let's go over here, and it's of type string semicolon. And next, we have a product price. This of type number, like this, number. All right. Excuse me. So next we have product description. Let's go to that. Product description colon, it's of type string. Okay, so next we have, what we have next, we have an image URL, right? Image URL is very important to showcase our data. The image URL is of type string, and the last one we have is category ID, right? So we have category ID, so it's of type number. All right, cool. So everything is set. So now what we can do is we need to go for product.compound.ts file. Very simple. Here we need to okay, sorry, product items dot product item.compound.ts. So here we have written reload data, right? So okay, let's call the method from the service part service. All right, so this dot service dot get, what we are getting, we are going to get the scope. So this scope, we know that is going to return the product data which is being set in set scope. That set scope is set in category component, right? Here, I mean set object, right? So now here, this particular line is going to give all the product data based on the category ID, right? So now we need to store this data in an object of type product. Okay, so now you're going to create an variable called products colon observable of type product, a product, like this. Okay, so now you're going to import it from the class. All right, import the product. Okay, good. Now, now, here we have the products. So products, sorry, this dot products, oops, this dot products is equal to this one. Now go to the next step. So now, next step, close all the files. Okay, open your category list.compo.html file and open product.html file. Okay, so I don't want to make you confusion, so that's why I'm going to do, sorry, not product page, product items.compo.html file. See, we use the same thing, right, which was there in the category list, the car, right? So I'm going to copy the same thing. Okay, copy it and paste it directly. Okay, so copy from here and paste it here. All right, so let's change it. Instead of category, it is products. Okay, products. So why products? Because here it's the products, so that's why. Oh, wait. Here we return the reload data method or the function, but where we are calling this? We need to call this function, right? Or we need to call this method, right? How are we going to call? So there is a method called ng-on-init. Ng-on-init. What is ng? Ng means Angular, correct? So Angular on initialization. Whenever this is called, automatically we need to call this method. So now we are done over here. Okay. So okay, sorry. This is this dot reload data. Okay. So done. So here products is going to store the data, and here I'm going to give prod. All right. So here the first thing, we need the product image. Okay. So for now prod dot lets me open the class file. So the product image is image. So prod dot image. So we are going to get the product image. So next one what we have is we'll get the product name. Okay, so here product name, this has to be prod, right? Cool. The next one, for now this is okay, and we don't want this hyperlink, right? So let me, for now let me remove this method name, because actually we need this method name later. This product, when we click on this product, uh, I think we don't need it. Okay, for now I'll let me remove this. For now let's see whether we need or we don't need. We'll come to in the next episodes, but yes. So for now everything looks fine. Let me go to the browser over here. Okay, so let me go. Okay, so there is some error in the here, so that's why the page is not getting loaded. So let's go back and check what is that error is in the console. Card image, prod image expressions not allowed. So let me check this. Okay, what is the error? Oh, okay, so here if you observe a click error over here, alright, so which means we need to include some method name over here. So as of now we don't have any method, right? And we are not sure whether we are using or not. So that's why I'm going to remove this click. Okay, so let me go to the browser, and here in the console, okay, we don't have any errors, right? I'm going to close the console. I'll go to the category page. Okay, so I'm going to click on battery. So when I click on battery, you're getting a battery, right? Products which is based on battery category. So we're just going, we are, for now we are checking the battery image or the product image and the product name. We need to get the description, everything, right? So let's get all those information and we'll print it over here. All right, let's go to the character page again, and let's go back to our code. So we have product name, and we need the price, which is really important, right? So product name. So next the product name I'm going to give as h3, and a strong over here, and price like this price. After the strong I'm going to give something like this. So pro dot price, product price, something like this. Okay, so let's see how it is going to look like. uh just a second. H3, anyway it will be bold itself. Okay, so let's check how it's going to look like, and if you want we can change it later. So battery, okay, price is 120. All right, what I'll do, I'll go here. Oh, engine or any currency, you can take any currency symbol, Indian rupees symbol. Can, if you want dollars, you can take the dollars. Let's say I'm going to take HTML IC icon. and I'm just copying this directly. Okay, I don't know whether it works. I'm just testing it. Price, uh, paste it. Yeah, it pasted. Precious. Go to my browser. Here, category, sensor product, and here we're getting it. Sensors. The price is this one, right? So we're going to get the product description as well. So H3 is very big. I'm going to make it as H6, H6, and okay, not H6. Let me keep it as H5. This also as H5, and this I'm going to make it as H4. Okay, so H4, and next, wait, let me keep. Okay, no problem. So P. Oh wait, let me do Control Z. Earlier it was fine. Okay, this I'm going to make it as H6 directly. Okay, next, paragraph, and strong product description, CRIP, SCRIPTI, product description, and let's say here like this, prod dot, let's copy that variable in product description, and we are pasting it here. All right, cool. So if I go to my browser and category, when I click on sensor, you see now we're getting, okay, we want the name of the product a little bit more bigger. What I'm going to do, let me, okay, here, which is in product name is in H5. So let me make it as H4. Okay, and also I want to add a color over here. I'm going to give a color style, let's say, oops, style is equal to color, for now, choosing the color from the picker. I'm going to take a light blue, something like this. Okay, this particular color, and if you want, you can change it or you can keep the same. And when I click on this answer, you get the products, which is different type of products, and this price and the description of those products. So let me go to the category again. When I click on the YS, we're getting the, okay, oh, there is no image. Okay, there is some issue with the image. That's the database related. Yeah. So female to female wires, male to male wires, and male to female wires, the prices of those product and the product description. So if I go to the category again, when I click on batteries, the battery is this, right? So small description over here. So let's go back here, or and Arduino. So there is no products which is related to Arduino. When I go for LED lights, okay, we don't have here. I think DC motor, yes, we do have one servo motor, right? So when I go for sensor, we're getting all the products. Let me go back to the home. See, this is our home, and here all the products are getting displayed, right? Yes. Oh, we just clicked on the category, right? So that's why. Okay, cool. So when I click on battery, if I go to the home, you're getting the batteries. Okay, no problem. We'll do that. We can write one more data to print out the products, all complete products over here in the home, which we can do that. We'll do it that later. All right. Yeah. So this is how it look like. Okay. So based on the categories, we can able to fetch the product successfully. All right. I hope you learned how to do it. And let me log out over here. Done. All right. So I hope you guys learn how to get the products based on the category ID. So what we are going to do in the next episode, let me give you an hint. Let me log in quickly. Okay. Let me go to the category and any of the sensor, or sorry, any of the products. So here, the next episode, whenever we get or we are able to see the products, so when we click on buy, so this product should save in a cart. Okay, So this particular product should save in a cart. So that's our next thing which we are going to do in the next episode. All right, and that is a little bit tricky because this particular product should map to customer which has been uh, adding to the cart. So a little bit tricky, and stay tuned for that particular episode or in the next episode. All right, so I hope you like this, and let's meet in our next episode and keep learning. All right, cool.